know what kind of love is rare now?
What?
The peaceful kind. Not toxic. Not dramatic. Just two people trying to make life easier for each other.
Morning.
You slept late again?
Too much work.
Sit down. I made breakfast.
You always wake up before me.
Someone has to save this family.
Another stressful email.
Stop checking your phone while eating.
I can't. Work never stops.
That's why I cut fruits for you. At least eat something healthy.
You always take care of me.
Because you forget to take care of yourself.
Good thing I married you then.
You know, life wasn't always peaceful.
Yeah.
We had stressful months.
Unpaid bills, late nights, silent dinners.
And days we both felt mentally exhausted.
But somehow, we stayed.
Because we stopped trying to be perfect.
You know what my favorite thing is?
What?
This...
What, cooking together?
No. Being able to exist peacefully with you.
That sounded way too romantic for someone burning pancakes.
I'm trying my best here.
Honestly, I don't need a luxury life. A calm home is enough for me.
And a peaceful person beside you changes everything.
Maybe real love isn't butterflies forever.
Maybe it's peace.
Maybe it's having someone
Who makes hard days feel lighter.
And honestly,
That kind of love is rare now.